Hi all, let's see anonymous method in Shisha. An anonymous method is a method without name. When we declare a normal method, we will provide access modifier, return type, method name. Inside the bracket, we will provide the block of code. But anonymous method just having only body. An anonymous method can be defined using delegate keyword and can be assigned to the delegate instance. Let's see how to create an anonymous method. Here created a sample console application. Let's create a delegate. We can create delegate inside or outside the class, access modifier, then delegate keyword, then return type, then delegate name. Inside the bracket, we can provide with any parameter. Let's assign a string parameter. Note, an anonymous method can be defined using delegate keyword and assigned to delegate instance. That is, create an object for the delegate and assign the anonymous method using delegate keyword to this delegate object, delegate keyword, then anonymous method. Our delegate having one string parameter, so let's create a one string parameter inside this parenthesis, then provide the block of code inside the braces, then call the object and pass the parameter value. Here what will happen means this line invoke this assigned anonymous method and pass this value test value to this test parameter and execute the block inside that. Let's check by running. Here the anonymous method executed successfully. We can pass this anonymous method as parameter to other function, but that function accepts delegate as parameter. Let's create a function. We created a test method and having my delegate as parameter and normal parameter. When passing anonymous method, this delegate object will hold that method and execute that anonymous method when calling this object. Let's call this test method inside main function. First parameter we have to pass anonymous method. Let's pass. Copy and paste here. And second parameter as string. Let's uncomment this. Let's execute. Here our anonymous method passed as argument successfully. We can access outer variables and function inside anonymous method. For example, int a is equal to 10. We can access this variable inside anonymous method. Let's see. See. We can return variable inside anonymous method like this. Return variable. Here we are returning string variable. So we have to change the return type of our delegate string and have to access that returning value to our local variables. Let's see. Here our returning value received successfully. When creating an anonymous method, you should remember anonymous method can be defined using delegate keyword and assigned to a delegate. Anonymous method can access outer variables and methods. We can pass anonymous method as parameter. We can use return statement inside anonymous method. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.